Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your characters or ninjas on the Ninja Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ninja Party game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can start playing the various different matches right away. Now if you wish to upgrade your characters, just tap on the customization icon at the left side, and once you are inside this page, you can choose the various different characters that you have unlocked from the ninjas section. Just tap on your desired character and you will see the upgrade option at the bottom right corner. This will cost some coins, so make sure that you have enough. You will also need the upgrade card that is displayed above this button. Once you have all of the requirements, you can press this button to spend your coins in order to upgrade your character. And through this method, you can improve the ability of your ninjas to achieve better results within your matches. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your ninjas within the Ninja Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.